Hello students, this is a quick reminder on how to access our online textbook. In front of me I have a blank Google page. I'm going to go up to the URL bar and I'm going to type in our web address to ClassLink, which is my.uaschools.org, and that's going to take us to ClassLink. If it asks you to sign in, make sure you're using your username and your password. It would be the same one that you used to log into your computer. Also the same one you used to log into Schoology. So we log in and we're going to see our apps. Slowly. There we go. Okay, so now we're going to look for ConnectEd. ConnectEd is our online textbook. So we're going to go, it's right here. For me, it's on row 3. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. So it's going to launch our online textbook. Now remember, as I showed you in class before, I'm going to have two options. You will only have one. Your option is the student book. I just happen to have the teacher book as well. So I'll click on the student book. You will click the word launch when it appears. I will just click on the link. Here we go. You're slowly getting there. Okay, so I'm going to click on the student edition. Again, you'll click launch. Okay, so we're at the point where we need to choose our table of contents. Since we are working with Chapter 2, Lesson 2, I'm good. Remember, it remembers where you left off. For instance, earlier in the year we did Chapter 1, Lesson 1. And that was about land, Earth's land, people, and environments, and how geographers think. Then we moved up to Chapter 2. Lesson 2. So now we're doing forces shaping the earth. Just remember, it's a quick step just to make sure you're on the right unit. Once we're on the right unit and chapter, or lesson, we're going to click go. And then we will be on the pages for our online textbook. Keep in mind, we turn the pages down here at the very bottom. So there's page 2, page 3 of the reading, page 4, page 5, and page 6. Also, we can access the vocabulary. So if I click on the word continent, because it's in yellow, the definition will appear. Also, I can access the vocabulary by clicking the word vocabulary at the top, but this won't give me the definitions of the term. I have to get that from the reading. And then if you want to, you can also rewatch the movie we watched in class. If you want to quiz yourself at the very end of the reading, we can click here under self-check quiz. That's up to you. We'll do that in class later though. So for tonight's homework, everything can be located here in these 6 pages. Let me give you a hint. A lot of you were talking about movement and build-up today in class, or after class even, during Flex. Make sure we're looking right here under changing landforms. Okay, that's going to help you a lot with that chart. If you have any other questions, make sure you email them to me. I will be checking my email throughout the day tomorrow. Happy trails, and I hope you are able to complete your work and access the online textbook. Thanks.